In this Hostinger coupon code video, I'm providing you with a Hostinger discount so you can save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. To take advantage of the Hostinger coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Hostinger, so you can get up to 77% off your Hostinger web hosting purchase, plus a free domain name. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description to enter at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the Hostinger page. You'll see you'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $2.99 a month. You get a bigger discount than being shown here with our Hostinger coupon code provided with the link in the description. You get Hostinger hosting for as low as $278 a month with the premium plan. You get the business plan for as low as $371 a month. The cloud startup plan, you'll get cloud hosting for as low as $743 a month. From the Hostinger homepage, click the Claim Deal button or scroll down to the Hostinger plans. The premium web hosting plan comes with 25 websites, 25 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan includes 25,000 website visits per month, standard performance, 25 gigabytes SSD storage, weekly backups, standard DDoS protection, and starter WooCommerce. The business web hosting plan comes with everything the premium plan comes with, along with 50 websites, 50 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan comes with 100,000 website visits per month, basic WooCommerce, daily backups, free CDN, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, WordPress staging tool, object cache for WordPress, on-demand backup, WordPress AI tools, enhanced DDoS protection, e-commerce features with the Hostinger website builder, 0% transaction fees, and 100 plus payment methods. The cloud startup plan comes with everything the business plan comes with. This plan comes with 100 websites, 100 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan comes with 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, dedicated IP address, standard WooCommerce, 200,000 website visits per month, and priority support. Once you choose a plan, you'll be on the cart page. Over to the right, you'll see Have a Coupon Code. Click this. Paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included with the link in the description. Click Apply. You'll see the new discounted amount showing, saving you additional money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. Over to the left, under Period, you can choose your hosting term. Click from the drop-down, and you can choose between 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. The free domain name is with any of the annual plans. Next, click the Continue button. You can now register your account to proceed with your Hostinger web hosting purchase. Next, you want to input your billing address information in. Next, you want to input your payment information in and click the Submit Payment button. Something I want to note is after checking out with Hostinger, you'll be able to choose your free domain name if the plan you chose comes with one, or you can register a domain name once inside the Hostinger dashboard. You've successfully taken advantage of the Hostinger coupon code discount. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.